Hi, welcome to Module 3, Week 3. Safety is the topic for this week's assignments, readings, etc. As previous, your learning outcomes involve a culture of safety and justice. There is one reading by Bernsteiner, Teaching a Culture of Safety from the Online Journal of Nursing. There is an active blue link. There are two optional resources for you to read if you would like more information. We have a video, which is your overview that you're looking at now. And then there are two videos related to the Josie King story. Watch them, they're very interesting. This is your educational content regarding informatics for week 3 and how informatics is linked to the safety of our healthcare culture. There are your videos. This is the week you make your video presentation for your topic discussion that you signed up for during week 1 on the wiki. If you click on these how to make a video presentation, what you're going to see is that there are sections showing you how to use, saving PowerPoints, etc. Okay? Be sure to look at them before you decide how to make your video. Give yourself time. People seem to struggle with how to upload this video. You have to create your thread, put a title in the subject box, and then in the big box where you can text, put the title of your video, highlight it, look up in the icon area, and the link will then be active. Click on the link. It will open up to a page where you can put the address of your video in the box and then hit submit. Make sure you also check to open it in a new window. If you decide to use VoiceThread or YouTube video, you have to publish it. VoiceThread, you have to give permission for people to view it. Screencast-O-Matic is very easy, it's free, and it's not hard to use at all. And you can actually take the Screencast-O-Matic and you can upload it to YouTube if you want to, and then people can view it there. Just make sure you publish it. And as always, there's a section here on course questions. Don't be afraid to ask. And I think that's it for this week. Have a great week.